Here's a pair of the On Groove earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair connect these directly to an Android phone via Bluetooth. The Android phone that I'm using here is a Samsung Galaxy S25. And I'm talking about this On Groove earbuds model here, okay? I'm not talking about this one here, nor this one, okay? So we're just talking about this one here. So the first thing we want to do is put this in a pairing mode, okay? Now, we'll know it's in pairing mode when you open the case up, you see your earbuds, and the two LED lights right there, they start blinking white, 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 white rapidly. Then we'll know it's in pairing mode, okay? Now, if you're connected to a different device or paired to a different device and you open this up, you're not going to automatically get into pairing mode like me. It's not blinking white, 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 white because I'm connected to, I think, my iPhone, okay? So in order for me to put this in pairing mode, what I can do is I can go to my iPhone where I'm paired to, and I can go to the Bluetooth pairing list and I can disconnect or delete or forget the device on the Bluetooth pairing list. And as soon as I do that, then these two lights will automatically start blinking white, 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 white. Okay, now another way to do this is, let's say I'm connected to another device, but I don't know which one it is. I just want to hurry and put this in pairing mode. All you got to do is, if you look on the bottom here, you have that little button. It's kind of hard to see. But what we're going to do is we're going to put this in a pairing mode, okay? So open the lid up, make sure the buds are in there, and that button here, I'm going to press it, I'm going to hold it until the light here starts blinking white, 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 okay? We'll do it together. That button right there, ready, set, go. Press and hold. I'm holding, keep holding, wait, 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 boom, boom, white, 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 white. There we go. Now it's in pairing mode. Now we're going to go directly to our Android phone here, and you want to go to settings. You want to go to your Bluetooth settings. So settings on this phone, I'll go to connections, and then I'll go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Let's tap on Bluetooth, and this little spinny thing here is searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me. Okay, they're still in the pairing mode, and it did show up here. There's the On Wires ANC. We're going to tap on that. We'll get a pairing request for Android phones. It says pair, so we're going to go ahead and pair it right there. And voila, we are now connected. Now, if you have any kind of issues pairing or connecting this, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.